Hello everyone, I am Luke Snagialakat. In this video, I want to demonstrate experiment number 4, custom function frameworks elevating shell scripting efficiency. So I will go through all the directory and I will explain that. So in this experiment, I use shell scripting to manage travel related operations such as booking records, file handling, backups reporting, and user authentication. I will be demonstrating different shell and scripting function applied to this theme. So now I am going to take the terminal. You can see the terminal. I have created and I have written all the commands here. So first we have to create directory structure. So here I already create that is nano q1 create structure. So you can see the result for that. This one is the result for the first thing. So this helps in organizing travel data like flights, hotel caps, logs, and backups. As we can see, the record are created successfully. Okay, so now we have to list files and categories. So now I will list and categorize the files in the system. This function separates files based on type, such as text files and log files. And you can see the result here, that is like text files and other file, log files, other files, and cab flights, hotel, like this. So that's all. And next one, we have to do the add, delete, modify record. So this function allows adding, deleting, and modify the itinerary details. For that, I have written nano q3 / manage records.ch. So this simulates real-world traveling booking operation. So you can see the result of that like this. This add, delete, modify, and I have entered the itinerary called into flight and added. So next is backup files. Like this function, you can see the nano q / backup.sh, that is the backup files. So this function also logs whether the backup operation was successful. So backup ensure data safety, recovery, and recovery. You can see the result, that backup done. So that's all. So next I'm going to explain what copy file with the validation. So the function checks whether copy operation is successful. So this is useful for file duplication and management. That is nano q5 copy file. So you can see it has copied successfully. So next one is generate report. Now I am generating a report based on travel bookings. So this function calculates the total number of records. So that is nano q6 report.sh, and the report is generated here. You can see here. So next one is service status check. So this function verifies whether required data files are available. For that we have typed nano q7 / service.sh, and you can see the travel service is active. Okay, then we have to search keyboard. It is also display the line number where the keyboard is found, and for that is nano q8 / 8 search.sh, and they asked enter keyword, and I type 8. So next one is count total items. This gives the total number of travel related files, and you can see this. For that I have given nano q9 / count.sh, and the total items here is 9. So this one is the result. So next one I am giving that is user authentication. Finally, I demonstrate the user authentication. This function checks username and password before granting access, and you can see this ensures secure access to the system. And you can see that I have written nano q10 and auth.sh. They are asking username and password here. So that's all. So I have demonstrated various shell scripting operation using travel itinerary management theme. This function helps in automating file handling, improving efficiency, and ensuring secure data management. Thank you.